Welcome to our hallway. As you can see, we've just got these sensational skylights creating this beautiful natural light flooding in.
We have this amazing track light over to the side that illuminates all this incredible artwork.
The idea is for it to feel like an art gallery. This is Lizzie, Stageman, Jai and Meredith Howes. And as you can see, they all connect through colour, but they're all different subject matter, which is really cool.
That's a proper commissioned work. That's awesome. That's what happens when you got money.
All right, guys, come check out our second hallway through this amazing black steel door and glass.
And this is a really private hallway because the people who live here really just use it. It enters into all the bedrooms. If you just look up here, what we actually have is, how many square metres, Ron?
6.5 cubic square metres of extra storage, which is the key in renovating. Storage, storage, storage.
And they've got a thing up here.
How do you get to it?
You just get a ladder, get up there.
Oh.
But it's about
youth.
from there down to about here. It's
Oh, really?
Great storage, yeah.
Very clever.
I actually prefer this hallway to the front hallway. I don't know why.
It's probably because it feels cozy.
More cozy.
Like,
I don't
yeah,
know.
I don't
It
like
just
the
feels more homely.
The skylights and the vastness just doesn't do it for me. I don't know.
And here we are, the laundry. You know, I think the laundry space is like it's a room where it needs to function, but it also still can look beautiful. Tall cupboard storage for your brooms and your vacuums.
With a PowerPoint. And then at the end there, we've got some amazing storage with a scalloped feature wall that Georgia painted.
Storage is key, people, and that is our laundry.
So guys, I hope you liked it.